Welcome to my Advanced Database Management System course. In this section, we discuss about multi-model databases, multiple data models, unified data management, flexibility and agility, interoperability. Let's enjoy. Multi-model databases are database systems that support multiple data models within a single integrated platform. Unlike traditional databases that are typically designed for a specific data model, e.g., relational, document, graph, multi-model databases offer flexibility and versatility by allowing users to work with different types of data models interchangeably. Here are some key characteristics and considerations of multi-model databases. Support for multiple data models. Multi-model databases support a variety of data models, including relational, document, graph, key value, and time series. This enables users to store and query different types of data using the most appropriate data model for their use case. Unified data management. Multi-model databases provide a unified platform for managing diverse types of data, eliminating the need for separate databases or specialized tools for each data model. This simplifies data management and reduces complexity for developers and administrators. Flexibility and agility. Multi-model databases offer flexibility and agility in data modeling and schema design. Users can choose the most suitable data model for their data and easily adapt to changing requirements without the need for schema migrations or data transformations. Interoperability. Multi-model databases enable seamless interoperability between different data models, allowing users to perform complex queries and analytics that span multiple data types. This promotes data integration and facilitates cross-domain analysis and insights generation. Scalability and performance. Multi-model databases are designed to scale horizontally and vertically to handle growing data volumes and user loads. They provide efficient indexing, query optimization, and distributed processing capabilities to ensure high performance and scalability across diverse workloads. Data consistency and integrity. Multi-model databases ensure data consistency and integrity across different data models through transaction support, ACD compliance, and data validation mechanisms. They maintain data consistency constraints and enforce referential integrity to preserve data quality. Use cases. Multi-model databases are well suited for a wide range of use cases that involve diverse data types and complex data relationships. Examples include content management systems, e-commerce platforms, social networks, IoT data processing, real-time analytics, and fraud detection. Developer productivity. Multi-model databases enhance developer productivity by providing a unified API and query language for accessing and manipulating data across different data models. This reduces the learning curve and allows developers to focus on application logic rather than data management intricacies. Integration with existing systems. Multi-model databases integrate seamlessly with existing systems and data sources, enabling organizations to leverage their existing investments in infrastructure and applications. They support data migration, replication, and synchronization with legacy databases and external data sources. Thanks for watching the Advanced Database Management System lesson. Hope you enjoy the lesson. To learn more about database management system, please check the next lesson. Never stop learning. Thanks once again to enjoy the lesson.